Alright, we're gonna throw some blunt objects at this.
Yeah.
Please, 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 blade brackets don't break on us.
Hold on. Spin the fan, right?
I'll do the spinning. You
Alright.
throw shit at it.
Okay.
Oh,
That hit you, so don't spin it and then don't go be so close. Alright.
you guys warning, there's objects will fly at our faces.
Yeah. Alright.
Hold on.
Spin it very fast. Alright. Today we're gonna throw stuff at it.
Go.
We gotta. Shit.
You know. Oh.
Ooh. Alright.
Just do it. Just throw it. Just throw it at it.
Oh. Did it just fucking great? Well, hold on. Did I get something?
Yeah, you did. It's right there.
It's great.
The blade just scraped the keyboard.
Hold on. You made a mark.
Wait, did I really?
You made a fucking mark.
Look.
You made a fucking mark on it.
Where's the mark?
It's not a scrape, it's a mark. Look. You made a fucking mark on it.
Look, chat.
That's the mark of the beast, by the way.
Want to keep going?
Yeah. They're like.
It hit my camera. It hit my camera.
Your phone. Oh, nice breathe. Thank you, fan. And now we're gonna throw shit at it.
Go.
Okay. Oh, it's raining. Oh. What water bottle was it?
Mine. Oh, they fell again.
Yeah. Aw, put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Now this is gonna hurt, fam.
Oh. Hold the mounting brackets.
Stand away. Stand away.
Oh,
Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Oh.
Aw.
Aw, why did I make it so?
We have an extra motor in case something. Chat, we have an extra motor if something happens.
Yeah. Spin the fin.
Come on.
And we got
I
an
got
extra
a
bite.
little
We got an extra bite. We got multiple extra bites.
Okay, ready?
Not my brackets though, because somebody broke them.
Yeah, because how cheap they are.
That's made in China. That's made in China. You know what I'm gonna do to made in China? And none of you are gonna do something because none of you countries can't
Hey,
do
go.
anything about their
Go.
products. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, fly the back. Bam.
I have a screen protector on my phone, so it won't be a big deal.
You got a different angle. You got a different angle.
It is an angle, different angle. I had it that way, so it doesn't fall.
Bro, get here. Nah.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Nah.
Got tangled in there.
No, I got it.
I got fucking tangled in
Yeah,
there.
this thing got tangled up.
I should have done. I should have done that. Shit.
No, it's fine. It's fine. That
Does
happens
no
to me.
one know? Does no one use that keyboard anymore?
Yeah.
What the?
What,
Hold
what?
on. Is it like that? Is it like that?
No,
Is
no,
it
no.
like-
I have to fix it. I have to fix it. I have to fix it. I have to fix it.
Alright. Okay. Okay. No more. No more.
No more.
No more. Maybe
No, go.
throw some small shit at it, like a water bottle.
Or
Or this. Or this.
Go.
So shit out there. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do about it, huh?
Alright, one more last thing and we're gonna end the video now. My video.
Okay, my turn. Bring me something.
Alright.
I
Your
go
turn.
throw shit at it. Bring me the.
Oh, did it break? Did it fucking break?
No, it didn't. Hey, put your hand under here like this.
Okay. Oh shit, right.
Oh, you want me to? Here, here, here. I got it. I got you. I got you.
I'm sweating balls over here. Give me breathe.
Wait, I have to, here.
Oh, let's play back. It suffered a lot of pain.
This thing's gonna hit my leg.
Alright.
There we go.
If you ever saw my reaction to Tom McDonald, then what are you doing?
Here, brother.
Next video. Alright. Next video, we're gonna react to the video that we're gonna react to the video about the British invading the United States again, which is fucking stupid because they're both in fucking NATO.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not known for. I'm not known for stealing fan videos.
Oh, that's the. I think this is your only one.
Yeah.
Here. Watch this. Oh, I got it. I got it. See? You should start getting used to this.
Next time. Alright, next destruction mode, letting my brother stop the fan blades real quick.
Three, 2, 1. Ah!
You don't hurt yourself.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
You wanna?
Ready?
This is a silly fan. It got
Badly beaten.
Yeah, the motor, not really.
I think the ceiling fan suffered more international trauma than us.
Alright.
Okay, enough torturing this. Because I'm about to buy new blade brackets and a blade, so
Okay. Next video we're gonna react to why US or UK want to invade the US right now.
grab that.
Okay.